March 1st, 1896. A day that changed history. A day when an African nation, Ethiopia, stood against European colonization and won. This is the story of the Battle of Adwa, the victory that shook the world. By the late 19th century, European powers had carved up nearly all of Africa. But one nation refused to bow: Ethiopia. Italy, seeking to expand its empire, aimed to conquer Ethiopia through deception and force. However, they underestimated the will of a free people. Emperor Menelik II and his brilliant wife, Empress Taytu Betul, called upon their people to defend their land. Warriors from all over Ethiopia, Oromo, Amhara, Tigray, Guraj and many others, united under one banner. Ethiopia was not just fighting for land, but for its sovereignty, its culture, and its dignity. On March 1st, 1896, in the mountainous terrain of Adwa, the Ethiopian forces numbering over 100,000 faced the invading Italian army of 17,000. But numbers alone didn't win the battle. It was strategy, determination, and unity. The Italians, overconfident and misinformed, walked into a deadly trap. Ethiopian forces led by legendary generals attacked from all sides. The Italians suffered a crushing defeat, losing thousands of men. The remaining troops surrendered and Ethiopia's victory was undeniable. This wasn't just an Ethiopian triumph, it was an African triumph. The world took notice. Ethiopia remained independent, inspiring future liberation movements across the continent. The Battle of Adwa is more than history. It is a legacy of strength, resilience, and unity. It reminds us that freedom is worth fighting for. Today, as we celebrate this historic victory, let the world know: Ethiopia stood, Ethiopia fought, Ethiopia won. Let's honor the heroes of Adwa, share this story, celebrate Africa's victory. Long live Ethiopia, long live freedom.